In this video, we'll show you how to launch Vive Sync and create a meeting. If you're using an all-in-one headset such as the Vive Focus 3, put on your headset and then launch Vive Sync from the library. When you see the sign-in screen, log in with your HTC account. If you're using a PC VR headset, launch Vive Sync and sign into your HTC account from your computer. Then put on your headset. Inside Sync, you'll find yourself in the lobby. In front of you, you'll see your agenda with all the meetings you've created, as well as meetings you've been invited to join. To book a new meeting, select the plus button. There are several types of meeting rooms to choose from. Select the room you'd like to use. Type in a subject and choose the date and time of the meeting. You can book meeting rooms for up to 6 hours. When you're ready to book, select the Book Meeting button. To invite other people to your meeting, go to the Sync website and sign in with your HTC account. In the calendar, open the meeting you created. You'll see a summary page that shows the meeting information. Copy this information along with the meeting link. Then, paste the information in your invitation email and send it. You can also use this page to upload files to your meeting room. Before the meeting starts, click the Upload button and select the files you want to upload. You're all set. Now you're ready to meet in Vive Sync.